Hey guys, it's Nigel here from Engineered to Slide, and in this video I'll run you through the application of my new epoxy flake floor. Before we get into it, I'll give you a little backstory into how this came about. 3 years ago I had new look floors lay down the ultimate epoxy flake floor in my workshop, and it's been one of the best upgrades that I have ever had done. It proved super durable and it looked great in all situations, including the project videos and the fabrication courses that you can subscribe to see on engineeredtoslide.com. Over those 3 years, my home garage has turned into more of a storage space than a workspace, and with my 3-year workshop lease up for renewal, I decided to move back home, and to continue filming my courses and projects, it required a little cleanup. The old garage floor was looking a little rough, and I wanted to emulate the epoxy flake floor, but this time do it myself so I can save some money and show you what goes into the process. This is a quick video of the process, but if you want more information including all the details and costs, then head to my blog post on engineeredtoslide.com. I'll put a link in the description below. Once the garage was stripped of everything, I could begin to prepare the floor. Because my floor was so rough, I decided to grind the painted surface off and reveal a fresh, smooth concrete surface for the epoxy to adhere to. I rented the grinder and vacuum from my local hire outlet at a rate of $500 for the day. It took about 4 hours to grind the surface, resulting in 4 bags of concrete dust, and after that I swept and washed the concrete down before letting it completely dry overnight. I took the opportunity to fill the cracks with concrete filler and then set about getting my epoxy kit ready for application. I used a company called Shimmy Coat to supply the kit, and they recommended 20 litres of neutral grey tinted epoxy base coat, 6 bags of gravel coloured flake and 12 litres of clear coat. This works by first applying the base coat, and while this is happening, you evenly spread the flakes over the tacky base coat. I broke my garage up into 4 batches of epoxy so that it gave me time to get it all done, but I recommend you use 2 people for this job as it all happens pretty fast. I left it overnight to dry and then swept off the loose flakes, running the backside of the broom over them to remove any partially attached ones. Now the top coat can be mixed and applied with a roller. It's tricky to see what you have and haven't completed here, so work in long strokes to make sure you're getting complete coverage. Once completed, you can leave it dry for 24 hours and then walk on it, waiting a few days before any weight is applied and a few weeks before putting a car on it. I'm absolutely stoked with the results that I got. It's been a real transformation from the old concrete floor, and if you're interested in getting all the details on how you can perform this to your home garage floor, then head to engineeredtoslide.com, and while you're there, we have some very in-depth fabrication courses and projects that I think you will enjoy. Thanks for watching.